In this essay, the chart analyst exposes the true reason behind XRP's price behavior, which is still sideways. The author claims that a major shift is occurring, indicating that the bull run is coming to an end. A coin is raised. It might be imitating the price movement of XRP, which is interesting for a few reasons. Additionally, the author highlights an article by Crypto Michael. Expects a favorable result even though most analysts feel that the break would not happen, could not take place. He believes it would be advantageous. Although most other coins are down trading, Crypto Michael recently posted that XRP has grown 5-fold since his call and that there would be more this year. According to the author, XRP has consolidated for a longer period of time than any other cryptocurrency. Even if there was a price action for XRP that was distinct to it due to legal activities with the SEC, Stellar Lumen has undoubtedly consolidated as long as XRP and surged up on non-news for it because it merely tracks the price movement of XRP. It's interesting to see how people respect Stellar Lumens in a similar way to how they use XRP. In summary, the author emphasizes that the bull run is coming to an end and that the price behavior of XRP will not stay the same. Additionally, they mention a coin that might be imitating the price trend of XRP, which is interesting for a number of reasons. Following their yellow lines in the market is what the author suggests readers do. The speaker is intrigued by the idea that the cryptocurrency Nano is effectively simulating the price movement of XRP. He has been keeping a careful eye on XRP's recent developments and thinks Nano will follow if they continue. He notes that, similar to XRP, Nano, which is X and O, is following a furious breakout, with a 2,400 rise. The speaker mentions the Nano coin, which rose from 8 to 12 cents to reach its peak of $36 in 2017, before gaining popularity at the end of the year. It never rose to a high point again after that, falling back down. The speaker expresses interest in this coin and asks whether anyone knows of any more of this type. Although she claims that the coin has been there for a very long time and is solidifying as long as XRP, the speaker does not suggest that others should follow her lead. Although they are intrigued by the prospect of an alternate season, they do not advise anyone to buy Nano. Although she is not, the speaker claims that the coin has been around for a very long time and will likely have a full alt season. They think that even if the coin doesn't hit a new high, it will still be valued, therefore they ask everyone to follow her example. Instead than encouraging people to buy other coins that are just like Nano, the speaker wants them to be aware of them. They are not saying that anyone should copy the speaker, but they are intrigued by the prospect of success and a full-fledged alt season. Over the past few hours, the price of snow has skyrocketed, rising from about $1 to $61. The bulk of coins are far more recent, and few have been stable for as long as snow. Thus, this is a fascinating pattern. The author is interested in other currencies that have solidified for as long as snow, even though they aren't necessarily more recent. The author believes that the best is yet to come and that snow is unlikely to rise higher than it did in the last cycle. The graphic indicates that snow was founded in 2017 and has been doing well ever since. Chart analyst Mustache Hash says altcoin Total 3 holds up rather well, with triple bottom sentiment still being one of the most bullish formations. With another big upsurge, the author is optimistic that the current market cycle will end sooner rather than later. Historical precedent and the idea that history tends to repeat itself serve as the foundation for this belief. The rally's final stage, represented by the entire market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, is drawing near. CH analyst Mikey Bull, Crypto Alco Altcoins Cap, claims that he has continuously held to his conviction that significant events will transpire prior to the conclusion of the present market cycle. He has also said that the last blow-off top to the upside is coming because all analysts follow the channeling person with high hit rates. The author can't think of anyone who doesn't agree with this belief because it is so evident that it is happening. The author ends by stating that the best future is ahead for Snow and other coins that have consolidated. Though they are not sure if this is different from previous cycles, they are positive that this market cycle will soon come to a conclusion with a large upswing. Bitcoin's dominance has seemed to be very consistent since November 3rd, which makes it the perfect time for outs to surge. This is not the moment to be pessimistic about outs and optimistic about Bitcoin's dominance. Charting analyst Dom has been highly optimistic about the breakout and believes that there will be a lot of face melt movement during full-blown price discovery. Since the election and up to this point, the orange line has had the highest traded volume level. XRP is currently trading near the middle of value according to market trends. Bitcoin's next move is reliant on the first 4 consecutive daily dots that it printed. The market remains uncertain. Thus, the next move is not likely to surpass $2.50 as well. Try the $2 range. A ride back to the 270s under 2 is most likely the next move. Trade is prohibited in this area. Dom and many others expected XRP to be ranging here. It's not weird or disagreeable. And you don't have to range for what feels like forever as you would in the bear market. Later on, things move swiftly, so you don't have to be there for very long. Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally by volume, has seen consistent market purchasing since the $1.76 lows. It is not surprising that XRP is diverse, given that it is the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally in terms of volume. Because he believes that patience is essential to the company's goal, he often pushes for XRP to see price action of at least $10. Tony continues to predict for a price movement of at least $10 and believes that XRP will soon surpass $4. He may be corrected if he is correct. However, there are some pessimistic statements in the headline, such as the assertion that XRP loses 70% of transactions because of its erratic price fluctuations. The XRP price chart shows a notable decline in activity over the last few days, suggesting a network exodus of investors and traders. This is the last thing you want to see when the market is underperforming. A decline in metrics which suggests that traders and investors are abandoning the network is the last thing you want to see. The amount of volume was somewhat smaller than the Innopost. Dom mentioned a graphic analyst who achieved a 24-hour volume of almost $37.5 billion with AB. Panic selling caused volume to soar, leading to a high number of transactions. The volume dropped when they had completed selling panics. The current value of cryptocurrency is $3.6 billion, which is considered Amar Dul's position. For much of last year, the 24-hour volume for XRP was probably near 104,024 hours. Already it stands at $3.6 billion. A substantial rise over the entire previous year. It's absurd to have such a headline, but it's neither unpleasant nor terrifying. There's no need to worry about this. On Headledger, there were less transactions. If you wait for the market to recover, the price will rise again on the blockchain because people will stop panic selling. There is yet the best to come. If you find any other coins that have been consolidating for as long as XRP, do let me know. I don't suggest you follow, but I find it interesting when something holds together for that long. Ray Blocks, RAI, was renamed Nano, but nobody knew how to pronounce it. Many potential remain, even though it's unclear if the name was a wise move. I'm passionate about developing my own cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund, ETF, for investors, even though I'm not a financial counselor. If you were considering making a purchase, it would be a very, very bad idea until the next time.